Hey guys, I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna try out a curly hair for the very first time in my life. The hair here is from Lordhair, and I use their perm service.
The hair system I have today is the Neo Premier from Lordhair. Personally, this is my favorite type of hair system because it's got skin base on the side, which is very easy for bonding with tapes, and French lace on the top and at the front, which gives a very natural hairline.
Actually, I'm very nervous and also very excited. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I have to go to my barber first because the hair is still a little bit too long. So let's find out.
Alright, I just got back from the barber, and now I'm gonna show you my daily routine, how I put on this type of lace and skin hybrid hair system using tapes and hairspray. First of all, I need to cut off the extra lace because we don't need that. And it's done. The hairline is looking good. Then I'm gonna apply the double-sided tapes on the skin base around the system. This is to give a stronghold to the system, and it lasts usually for about a week. And for the frontal lace, I'm gonna use the hairspray. Okay, so now that the tape is done, I'm gonna put the hair system on my head and apply the hairspray into the frontal lace area. I'll just spray a small amount of Got2b free spray on my forehead area and let it dry for about a minute. After that, just push down the lace. This is to give a natural hairline without the tapes being too shiny. As you can see, the hairspray is sufficient to secure the lace part. Okay guys, this is my routine, how I installed the hair system, and this is the final result of me trying the curly hair for the very first time. I'm not so sure if the curls really suit me, but the hair system itself is absolutely looking nice and natural. Thank you very much, and see you next time.